Got the crimson rosellas. Good morning. The little honey eater there on the left and the crimson rosellas on the right. Good morning, sweethearts. Good morning. And actually, there's the eastern rosella on the left. Wow. I'm filming this from my lounge room window. There's the eastern rosella and the honey eater that you hear in all my videos there on the right. So I've got to film this from my lounge room window. Good morning, because if I don't, see, they're coming down to the seed I put out. Good morning. Good morning, sweethearts. That's the crimson rosella. And the eastern rosella is up there in the tree. You may not be able to see it. So this is from my lounge room window. Oh, yeah, and see there's the eastern rosella in the tree on the left. And there's the crimson rosellas. Oh. So there's the crimson rosella and the honey eater. And the other crimson rosella, there they are. Thank you for visiting the garden this morning.